Hello, everyone. This is question 8 of our 100 clinically oriented anatomy questions. And let's get straight into the question. So, it says a 16-year-old male received a superficial cut on the lateral side of his foot while playing football and is admitted to the emergency department where the wound is sutured. 4 days later, the patient returns to the hospital with high fever and swollen lymph nodes. Which group of lymph nodes will first receive lymph from the infected wound? Popliteal, vertical group of superficial inguinal, deep inguinal, horizontal group of superficial inguinal, internal iliac. This is pretty straightforward. The question says the most important part of this question is what I underlined here. Superficial cut on the lateral side of his foot. So the lymph nodes that will receive lymph from the lateral side of the foot is the popliteal lymph node, right? Popliteal lymph node is situated in the popliteal fossa. So the popliteal lymph node is the correct answer here. So the popliteal lymph node is our correct answer. Now, why are the other options wrong? The popliteal lymph node receives the lymph node from the leg, then it drains into the deep inguinal lymph node, right? So popliteal lymph node drains into the deep inguinal lymph node, which makes option C out. Then the deep inguinal lymph node then drains into the external iliac lymph node. So that's how it goes. Now the superficial inguinal lymph node and the both the horizontal group and the vertical group of the superficial inguinal lymph node, they are present in the thigh. The vertical group of the superficial inguinal lymph node receives lymph from the medial aspect of the thigh, and then the horizontal group is divided into two. We have the upper lateral and the lower medial group. The upper lateral group receives lymph node from the buttocks, and then the lower abdominal region basically, and then the lower media also receives lymph from the penis, from the mons pubis, and also from the lower abdominal region. And the internal iliac lymph node. The internal iliac lymph node receives lymph from the inferior pelvic viscera, from the also from the gluteal, from some part of the glutes and the lower abdominal region basically, and it drains into the common iliac lymph node alongside the external iliac lymph nodes. So yeah, I hope you understand this question. The answer is popliteal lymph node. So I believe it is very explanatory, and I'll see you in the next video.